What's up, guys? If you're looking for a great gift this holiday season for the drink enthusiast in your life, you gotta check out this really nice cocktail smoker kit. Let's open it up, see everything that comes inside. You have the blowtorch right here. You have the 2 wooden smokers, which are really nice. Let's take a look. Inside of there, you do have the filter where you're gonna put your wood chips. On the side over here, it does come with a spoon. That's gonna be great to get those wood chips out of the container. Also does come with a pipe cleaner. Has some extra filters and a bunch of different flavored wood chips here. We have the hickory, beech, oak wood, cherry wood, apple wood, and pear wood. This blowtorch is really nice. It has a locking button on the top here. So that's on lock. That way you can't push the trigger. And then to unlock it, you're simply just gonna push it over to the left, and then you have full access to the flame there. So you can actually control the size of the flame with the button on here. And on the back, you can see the butane window. That way you know how much fuel you have left. So to fill this up with butane is really easy. The inject port is right here. You're gonna take your canister, insert it right into there, and you're gonna see that it slowly fills up all the way with the butane, and we're ready to go. So I have my drink here. Let's test out this cocktail smoker kit. Let's put the top on just like that. So I chose the apple wood chips here for my drink, and 2 to 3 scoops of wood chips is a great amount to put in here. What you're gonna do, take your blowtorch, you're gonna take the safety off, light it up, and take it about 2 to 4 inches away, and for about 10 seconds, you're gonna let that smoke build up. Just like that. Then you're gonna put the lid on, and then you're gonna let it sit on there for about 30 seconds while your drink absorbs that delicious smoke flavor, just enhancing the flavor of your favorite drink. All right, so I'm gonna take the lid off of here. Look at that, that smells so good. You can really smell the apple undertones of that wood. Oh yeah, so that definitely adds a smoky apple flavor to your favorite beverage. That is so delicious. This cocktail smoker kit is a great gift to pick up for the holiday season. It just adds like a little extra touch for all your favorite drinks and beverages. You could even do this for like hot chocolate or something for the kids. They would absolutely love this as well. So if you're looking for a really cool cocktail smoker kit, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.